This is the Bosch GLL2-20 360-degree horizontal and cross-line laser. Whether you're lining up outlets, cabinets, or windows, or working on tile, this laser will level your world at 360 degrees. The Bosch GLL2-20 lets you project horizontal and vertical lines together or independently for a wide array of level or alignment options. But what's really unique is its 360-degree horizontal line that projects around the entire room. The keypad lets you easily select between the different modes, and you can even work at an angle thanks to its manual mode. The Smart Pendulum Leveling System self-levels and indicates any out-of-level conditions. This system locks in place during transport to avoid any damage to the tool. Why is a 360-degree horizontal line so amazing? It lets you set up the unit once in the middle of the room, then work off of the benchmark on any of the walls. Imagine, for instance, you're working on cabinets in a kitchen. You can be sure they're going to be at exactly the same height all around the room without having to redo the setup halfway through the job. Versatility is the name of the game when it comes to mounting. Use the 1/4-inch thread mount with the included BM3 positioning device or any compact tripod. With BM3, you can magnetically attach your GLL2-20 to metal surfaces. Use the clip for ceiling grid applications or mount it to drywall or wood with screws. You can really use this tool anywhere. The complete kit comes with the GLL2-20, the BM3 positioning device, a laser target, batteries, and a carrying case. So this is it. The Bosch GLL2-20 360-degree horizontal and cross-line laser. For more information on this tool, see this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch line lasers.